The social status sixes, and these are everywhere too. Great. Yeah, the more than an athlete. The win-win colorway. It's 35 turbos for $60, and you get 20% off. What's going on? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks out in Orange County. Yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Go find them deals. Last couple trips, this outlet has been crazy. So, oh man, right now the only crazy thing is the lines. Look at those lines, man. But yeah, let's see if we can find some steals and deals, you guys. Yeah, the lines here, they still don't beat the Citadel, but they're pretty big lines. Crowds are pretty big. Start with the size 10, 10 and a half. I'm about to check those out, the denim 6s. Okay. The social status 6s, they made its way to the clearance section, 160. And you get 20% off because everything at the wall is 20% off. So with 160, 20% off, I don't know. That's hella cheap. That's what that is. Look at that. Got heat already. These were in the aisles, what, 2 weeks ago when we came? But yeah, not bad. I'm not a fan of the hair though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not necessarily a fan of the hair. Yeah, I think it's gonna be too much maintenance for me, but yeah. And I'm not a fan of the purple on it. But yeah, there's plenty of you guys that are. Not bad. 160. And you get 20% off. Damn. Got the animal print 3s, man. These, I'm telling you, these are standard at every outlet now. Crazy. Size 10, get that 20% off. 10 and a half, the denim 6s. And these are everywhere too. Crazy, 20% off. Saw size 10 of the animal 3s, got a 10 and a half now. Plenty. More 3s, more animal print 3s. I'm telling you, so many of these. And even these, I've seen these at a few places now for $2. Yeah, the more than an athlete, Lebrons 17s. Yeah, I showed this in the last video. I'll show it again. This thing totally comes off. I think it looks better without that on the top, but yeah. Let's take a look at it without it. I think those look better. But yeah, go for 200. Size 10, get 20% off. 9.5 for the Oreos. Especially the TVs. Okay, not bad. Going for 110, get 20% off. Pretty cheap. Okay, we know these ain't the clots, man. I got tricked last time. But yeah, the Air Force Ones. I don't know what colorway this is. Similar to clot colorway. Going for $130. $130 retail, get 20% off. Dang, good. Oh, I went the size 9.5 now. This is the Y size. Kobe Pro 5s. Got 3 of those Lebrons. Holy crap. All size 10. Clots down to $90. $90. 20% off. I'm gonna start moving down in size. Oh, still size 10. Air Max 90. All white color. Pretty clean. Going for retail though. Oh, it comes with extra laces. Extra white laces? Yeah. White shoes, the laces do get dirty, right? 9.5. More animal print 3s. More animal print 3s. Oh my god, this is crazy. Got some Gore-Tex Air Force Ones. Yeah, I find all kinds of new stuff here. It's crazy. So Gore-Tex is like a treated, it's like a nylon that's like kind of treated for rain pretty much. Does allow rain to go, it does repel the rain, but it also allows sweat to come out, which is kind of an interesting technology. But yeah, they use Gore-Tex on a lot of the tents and stuff like that. Yeah, pretty clean, you guys, pretty clean. Got that tumbled leather. Yeah, is it tumbled? Yeah, look, it feels like it's, I don't know, it's not tumbled, but it is treated, but pretty decent stuff, pretty decent material. Yeah, going for premium, man. That Gore-Tex charging $150. Get 20% off $150. This is not a retro 3. Look, reverse taxi, man. Reverse taxi 12s. I've not seen too many of these at the outlets. Size 9.5. I don't even know what these are going for. I don't even know if these are going for because it's in the wrong box. But yeah, I love this. I love the suede upper. This part is nice, nice soft buck leather right there. Tumbled buck leather. Huge fan of the shoe, man. Huge fan. If I could get this on sale, I so would. So would. I think a lot of people would. Got the signature sign on the back. Yeah, dope. The gold hits. Love the gold hits. Dope. Dope, man. I don't know the price. Probably go for retail, though. Probably go for retail. Let me check. My man did find the right box. Yeah, it's a Jordan 12. Go for retail. Get 20% off. Dope. I love those. 9.5. Is this a Nike ID? Yeah. Size 9 Nike ID. Go for 160. Man, they getting you for that full. Wow. See, this at the clearance center, man. They let these go for like $89, $79. Interesting colorway. What colorway is this? What colorway is that? I don't know. KAB? Is that the fool's initials? You guys trying to get retail? That's crazy, man. Nike ID retail, not even regular retail. That's crazy. I was like, what? The up tempo? Yeah, too much. Got a lot of heat, you guys. Gotta go to the small section. $130. $130 for those KGs. TGs by Rebecca, all black colorway. Slight hint of blue in the midsole and on the tongue right there. Go for $100. $100, man. I don't know if it's worth all that. All right, though. Oh, we've already seen these. Never mind. $200. Kyrie 6s, man. Starting to see plenty of these at the outlets. These are 8.5. Get 20% off. The all black ones, $130. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. I was like, Air Max 97. I've never seen this. Never seen that texture. Yeah. Go for retail though, that's why. Apparently everybody and their mom is returning these. Look at these, man. We've seen so many of these in so many different sizes. That's just crazy, guys. Crazy. Yeah, if you guys want these, go to the outlet. 20% off. 109. Okay, we've seen these on sale, but you get an extra 20% off here. That's not bad. Still in the size 11. Got the Lakers colorway with the Lebrons. Man, LeBron's been being returned left and right. Because look what's right next door. Look at that. The win-win colorway. Dang, dude. All being returned. More Super Bonds. I swear, like, these have been sitting and they're getting rid of these, man. Wow, this is a crazy good price. They're all white. Pegasus Turbo 35. Pegasus 35 Turbo. Go for $90. And you get 20% off. Was that $72? That's crazy. Air Force One. They're going for retail though. Size 11.5. $129 for these. Wow. Weren't these going for $100? Plus whatever? I don't know. But yeah, 20% off. There's some LeBron. What is this? The LeBron 14 lows? 65. That's not bad. Not bad. Not a fan of the colorway though. And the size 12s officially. Oh, 11.5. But yeah, I got the Alpha Dunks. Got the Nike Alpha Dunks. The Dunk of Death edition. Got that little USA basketball thing, and also this. Also, this has it even says Dunk of Death inside it. Oh wait, it's on the other one, I guess. Yeah, right here it says Dunk of Death. Official time. There's a date and stuff. That's when Vince Carter dunked over the French dude. Look it up on the internet if you guys don't know. Best dunk ever. Got some ACG Air Wildwoods. These are pretty clean. Usually not too big of a fan of the ACGs, but not too bad. You gotta go for retail though, but at least you get that 20% off. Not too bad. Have I ever seen this colorway of the Why Not 0.2s? What the hell? I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. Interesting. Pretty dope colorway. It's still trying to get retail though, but at least you get 20% off. So it's gonna be close to 100, maybe like 103 or something.
You like that though?
Got some wannabe Air Forces. The Lebrons, these are kind of like the Air Forces, but a little less quality. But yeah, $39, man. You get 20% off too. That's a steal. Size 13, man.
Yeah, look at that.
Not really finding like the greatest deals, just finding a lot of like newly released stuff that's not on sale most other places. But yeah, Fearless Ones. Fearless Ones. The React. Go for $160. Oh, these are size 14. But look like Nike ID version of the KD12. Wow, Pegasus 35 Turbos for $60. And you get 20% off. Oh my God, that's the cheapest I've ever seen those. Flight Posits, size 14, go for $130. 20% off. We are gonna check the owls, you guys. Go ahead and make sure you guys like this video. And yeah, subscribe if you're brand new to my channel. Turn on the notifications because you guys know I do drop a lot of videos. I think this is gonna be the thing that most people get hyped up about. The Jordan 13, the Mellow 13s, you guys. $159. As I mentioned before, they are B grades. Shows that, has that stamp right there. Shows cosmetic imperfections. But everywhere from 8.5 all the way to size 14. Yeah. That's size 14s. I don't know what size I picked up, but yeah. You can't find clean ones. This one has some slight redding right there, but not really that bad. Not really that bad. But yeah, there's redding all around the back. Okay. Yeah, if you don't mind some B grades, man. $159. But these probably will go down because I don't know, maybe they will, because last time they went down all the way to $100. They went down to $100. So they probably will go down. PGs, plenty of sizes. I have a feeling these are gonna keep going down though. Slightly different colorway. How do you guys feel about these foams? I don't know. I love the foam, but I'm just not a fan of this colorway. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. $159, not too shabby. Normally $230, so not too bad. It's like pretty decent discount. $79 for some suede Air Force Ones. The suede's pretty good too. Look, suede is pretty good. Got this rug material. Yeah, $79, and you get 20% off. So it's $16 off. That's for $64. Not too shabby. Dude got a good collection of the up tempos, man. The Orlando colorway, $99. Plenty of sizes. The up tempo 98. This is like the Dolphins colorway. I got a pair of these. It takes a while to stretch out because I got fat feet probably. But patent leather, so it takes a while to stretch these bad boys out. Pretty good discount right here. These might be a little bit easier to stretch out, but not bad. Lakers colorway. This is the Philadelphia Eagles color. Who wore these while back, man? It wasn't Donovan McNabb. Who wore these? I don't know, but pretty decent price. Feel like green. Had a whole lot of sizes of these. The Soldier 13s going for $110. No additional discount. Air Max Plus, the tuned Air version. Thanks for sharing that with me. Air Max Plus. Pretty decent price, man. Normally go for what, $160? $50 off. Couple of Air Max 200s. Another Air Max 200. And the 720s. Let's start with the 720s. Plenty of colorways. We saw these cheaper at Long Beach, right? Yeah, it's still not bad. One of the newer colorways at the outlet, so it's a little bit more expensive. Another color with the 720s. Last colorway of the 720s right there. Air Max 95s, plenty of sizes. Air Max 98s, man, I like this colorway. I don't know why. Like that little, what's it, the island green? I don't know if that little sticks out. I don't know what it is. What about these Air Max 98s? But I like it. I don't know if I like that other one a little bit more. But man, the materials in this thing, like the fact that this comes out, usually that goes in. It's supposed to be like that? What the hell? It's like a deconstructed one or something? Usually that goes underneath. It's supposed to be like that? Weird. Yeah, everything's on the outside. It's like a weird stitching. Yeah, not bad. $120. That's it. Look at this. I've never seen a Green Bay colorway. What the hell? The Element Reacts. I think they go for $140 or something. That's hella interesting. I've never seen that before. 10.5. $140 there. most of the aisles, man. They have a lot of aisles here, but it's a lot of just generic sneakers, man. Generic, nothing with too much heat. Odyssey React Flyknit 2s go for a bunch of different, got a bunch of different colors going for 69. Yeah, man, I think I showed a lot of these already, so I'm not gonna go through all of them, but a bunch of different colors. Pegasus Turbos go for a little bit more, buck 25. I did scope out the women's section. Didn't really see much, you guys. Didn't really see much, and the prices, at least with the women's sneakers, at least these are the same as the guys. Because the last spot, man, these were way more than the dudes, which is kind of kind of weird. But yeah, they got the Odyssey React 2 Flyknits in a bunch of different colorways. Damn, but only those two are going for really cheap. These are going for way more. What's up with that? Yeah, man, those are the only ones. Damn, man, women getting gypped, man. I feel like they're cheaper in the guys section. What's up with that? All right, not the most interesting stuff going in the women's section. So we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Wrap it up, and yeah, out to the next one. That's a pretty good price. Legend Reacts, $60 for women. Odyssey React Flyknit. Okay, we found another one for a pretty good price for women. I feel like the women's section lately has been pretty stale, man. So, like the guys section's had way more heat lately, and the women's section's been pretty lame. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, if that's true or not, or what you guys seen at the outlets. Has that been the same experience for you guys? Let me know. Is it me, or like lately have all the Nike outlets had a shit ton of heat lately? I don't know. Like I said this in the last video, but it feels like every Nike outlet, like the clearance section has been crazy. Like, how many Lebrons did we see there? Holy fuck! Like, why is anybody paying regular retail for Lebrons right now? Like the LeBron 17s. Like I've seen the win-win colorway in several places, and I've seen like the more than an athlete one, like a bunch of places. I don't know. Like I don't know. And like even the Jordans, like seen so many Jordans. I don't know what's up. So yeah, thanks for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're brand new to my channel. If you've seen for a while, haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe. And don't forget to click on that notification bell, because I do drop a lot of videos, you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. I was like, huh? What the hell? Yeah. Man, this place big as hell, man. This is big as hell. What the hell? Holy shit. Yeah, time to bounce.